All right, welcome back. In this video, we're going to take our barbell clamp that we've built and we are going to actually attach it to our barbell. Now, if you remember, back when I had us start this sketch off, I had us line this reference line down here on the bottom up with the origin. And this is going to become important because, as you can see, if I look at the planes, they actually run straight through the center of this clamp. This is going to help us when it comes time to line it up with our barbell. So I'm going to open up my barbell assembly that's got all its weights on it that we've done from our previous exercises. And I can show you that within our barbell over here in the tree, if I come down and look at the planes, those planes run straight through the bar. And that's how we're going to line this guy up. It's plane to plane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say insert components, and our Olympic clamp was the other open document, so it's right here. I'm going to pin this window in place, select the clamp, rotate my barbell around, put one on one side, one on the other, and now I can close down this insert components window. I'm going to go into my mate window. And now I find my barbell in the tree, find its front plane, and I can mate in the front plane of the barbell itself over here in my mate selections. There we go, front plane, and I'll scroll down to my clamp number 2, which is over on the left-hand side. I'm going to open it up. And I can see that the front plane on clamp number 2, if I made it, it lines up quite nicely. Now I'm going to take the top plane off of the barbell itself, line it up with the top plane of the clamp, and now I'm just about there. All I have to do at this point is I'll bring the barbell around where I can see it. I'm going to take this little piece of the handle that's closest to the weight, and I'm just going to push it right up against the weight with a tangent mating, and there you go, that side's done. Now I'll zoom back and I'll swing the barbell around so I can see the other side, and we're going to go from close down clamp 2 and we'll open up clamp number 1. Going to do the exact same things, front plane on the barbell to the front plane on this clamp, top plane on the barbell, top plane on this clamp. Now I zoom on in this front piece of my handle, make sure it's the front piece, not the rear piece, to this little surface on my 2.5 pound weight. Might need to zoom in to see it. And there we go. I'll accept that one. Give myself my ISO view. I can close down my mate window because this barbell is all ready to go. It is stacked with weights that are clamped in place, not going anywhere. Hope you enjoyed the build. Hope you're having a good day.